Hi folks and welcome to my channel. If you didn't know, Samsung Galaxy A15 4G phones have built-in FM radio feature to listen to local radio without using internet connection and with recording capabilities. In the Samsung folder you find the radio icon, click on it, give all the permissions to the application. Until you give them it won't work, then connect your wired headphones to activate the radio. The wire acts as an antenna. Once the headphones are connected, the radio will start to auto-scan available radio stations. When the scan is complete, you can tap on left arrow key icon and right arrow key icon to search through the available radio stations. You can even record your favorite music by simply pressing the red button and giving permission to the application to record. Stop the recording by clicking on the black square, and the file will be saved in the recordings folder. By clicking on the file, you will be able to listen to the recording. Press the power icon to turn the radio off or on. Press 3 dots to open the radio menu. You will see recordings where the files are saved, and if you press play through speaker, you will hear the radio in the phone speaker. In the menu you can also change the radio settings, but I'll leave it up to you to discover them. Until the next video, I wish you a good day and have fun with Samsung Radio.